Hello students. So after completion of redox reactions, so yeah, I am going to start equilibrium. Chapter equilibrium. So for some sections it has been started. For some sections I will not started the word equilibrium chapter. So I am going to deal equilibrium from the word starting. Okay. So what is equilibrium? What is equilibrium? Equilibrium is a state of system. Equilibrium is a state of system where two opposing tendencies operate simultaneously. To same extent. So this is the definition of equilibrium. What is equilibrium? Equilibrium is a state of system where two opposing tendencies operate simultaneously to same extent. So this is the definition of equilibrium. Or equilibrium can also be defined as equilibrium meaning is what? Equilibrium means what? Balanced. Equilibrium meaning is what? Balanced. Commonly we can say equilibrium means what? Balanced. Or equilibrium means what? Remains constant. So equilibrium can also be defined as it is a state of system where measurable properties remains constant. So what is equilibrium? Equilibrium commonly we can say equilibrium is nothing but what? Balanced state or remains constant. Which remains constant, that state is said to be what? Equilibrium. So equilibrium is nothing but state of system where two opposing tendencies operate simultaneously to same extent, or we can also define as measurable properties remains constant. That system is said to be what? At equilibrium. Okay, I take one example here. Take a container. We have a inlet. Water is flowing into the system from surrounding to system. So the water flowing in inlet rate is 5 cm³ per second. 5 cm³ per second. Okay. And from the same system, water is moving out of the system. So at that time, say it as 3 cm³ per second. 3 cm³ per second. Okay. Now take another system. In this system, water is moving into the system at the rate of what? 5 cm³ per second. And the water from the system, the water is moving from system into surrounding at the rate of what? 5 cm³ per second. 5 cm³ per second. Now observe these two containers. The water flowing from surrounding to system at the rate of what? 5 cm³ per second, and the water flowing from system to surrounding at the 3 cm³ per second. Here the two opposing tendencies are acting. Is it or not? One is water is inward flow. One is inward flow of water. Other one is what? Outward flow of water. Inward and outward. These are two opposing tendencies. These are two opposite processes. Is it or not? Now the inward rate is what? 5 cm³ per second, and the water moving from system to surrounding, that is outward movement is what? 3 cm³ per second. Clear? Now can I say that the system remains constant or can call the system is at a what? Equilibrium. The system is attaining a what? Equilibrium. Or we can define that measurable properties remains constant. Measurable property remains constant. Here 5 cm cube per second. 5 cm cube. Cm cube is nothing but what? Unit of volume. Cm cube is unit of volume. We can measure a volume. Is it or not? So here also 5 cm cube is nothing but what? What is the unit? Cm cube Cm cube is a unit of what? Volume. So we can measure what? Volume in both the processes. So measurable properties remains constant. It should remain constant. Yes, is it or not? Inward is remaining constant. Inward and outward movement is equal. It means 5 and 5 is what? Remains the same. Correct or not? So this is the concept of what? Equilibrium. I think we have got the idea. What is equilibrium? Equilibrium is nothing but what? Balanced state. Equilibrium is nothing but what? Balanced state. Or you can call it as a what? The state where measurable property remains constant. Okay. So this is the this is the definition and explanation of equilibrium. Clear? Okay. Next, equilibrium can be broadly classified into two types. One is physical equilibrium, second one is what? Chemical equilibrium. Classification of equilibrium. First one is what? Physical equilibrium. Second one is what? Chemical equilibrium. Very easy. So physical equilibrium is equilibrium involving physical changes. Equilibrium involving physical changes can be called as what? Physical equilibrium. Next, chemical equilibrium means equilibrium involving chemical changes. Equilibrium involving chemical changes can be called as what? Chemical equilibrium. So this chemical equilibrium it is defined generally. Later we will define a proper definition for the word chemical equilibrium. Then what is equilibrium? What is equilibrium? Equilibrium means what? State of system where two opposing tendencies operate simultaneously to a same extent. Our measurable property remains constant. That system is said to be what? Equilibrium. Next, again equilibrium can be classified into two types. What is the first type? Physical equilibrium. Second one is chemical equilibrium. What is physical equilibrium? If we are observing physical changes means that system is said to be what? Physical equilibrium. If we are observing the chemical changes means that system is said to be what? Chemical equilibrium system. Clear? Now, first we will discuss the word physical equilibrium and types of physical equilibrium or examples for the physical equilibrium. First one is, in a physical equilibrium, the first one is the solid liquid equilibrium. Solid liquid equilibrium. What is equilibrium? The two opposing tendencies acting simultaneously, operate simultaneously. So that is the word system. That is the word equilibrium. Next, solid liquid equilibrium. Solid liquid equilibrium. What is solid liquid equilibrium? So take an example. H2O, which is present in a solid state. It means it is ice in the ice form and convert into what? Liquid. Convert into what? Liquid. The conversion of solid water, that is the conversion of ice into liquid water, can be called as, which is this process? Conversion of solid into liquid can be called as what? Melting. Conversion of solid into liquid can be called as what? Melting. And this is one tendency. The opposite tendency for this is what? Conversion of liquid into solid. Conversion of liquid into solid can be called as what? Freezing. What it is? Freezing. Correct? What is solid liquid equilibrium? The equilibrium where solid convert into liquid and liquid convert into what? Solid. So it is a reversible reaction. Equilibrium where we can observe the equilibrium solid form of water. So this is the what? Solid liquid equilibrium. For example, take a closed container or take a thermos flask. Take a thermos flask. So thermos flask is which type of system it is? Isolated system. Is it or not? Thermos flask is a which type of system? Isolated system. There is no exchange of matter as well as energy. Correct? So take a thermos flask, take a closed container, that is take a isolated system. In this isolated system, I am taking a water. I am taking a water. That is H2O, liquid form of water. Liquid form of H2O. Liquid form of H2O. Correct? And place some amount of water. Ice cubes. Place some amount of water. Ice cubes. So which type of container it is? Closed container. Now in this container, what I have taken? I have taken about some amount of, for example, 100 ml of water, or take in terms of grams, 100 gram of water and 100 gram of water and ice cubes. Correct? Now there we can observe two processes. One process is what? Melting. What is melting? Conversion of solid ice into what? Liquid form. Conversion of solid ice into what? Liquid form. That is what? Melting. And another process is taking place simultaneously. What is that process? Freezing. Conversion of liquid into what? Solid. Conversion of liquid into what? Liquid into what? Solid. And this process takes place at a what? Constant temperature. Say 0 degree Celsius. Say 0 degree Celsius. So conversion of solid into liquid and liquid into solid at a constant temperature. That is 0 degree Celsius. Now how much or how many number of water molecules converted from solid into liquid will be equal to amount or percentage of liquid converted into solid. ಎಷ್ಟು ವಾಟರ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರುತ್ತೋ ಐಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಐಸ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಎ ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಇಸ್ said to be what? Equilibrium. That state is said to be what? Equilibrium. So this is one example for the what? Solid liquid equilibrium. I hope you are getting. So solid liquid equilibrium is nothing but state of the system where solid convert into liquid and liquid convert into what? Solid. At a one time, at a certain time, the melting process will be equal to what? Freezing, or the number of solid ice particle will be equal to what? Number of liquid form of water. Clear? So this is solid liquid equilibrium. Next, second one. Liquid vapor equilibrium. Liquid vapor equilibrium. So in a liquid vapor equilibrium, I take the what? Same H2O present in liquid state convert into what? Gaseous form of water. That is vapor state, or you can say gas. Conversion of liquid water into vapor form of water. Conversion of liquid into what? Vapor. So what is this process? This process can be called as what? Vaporization. What is this process? Vaporization. Correct? Again, the gaseous water molecules convert into what? Liquid water molecules. This process can be called as what? Condensation. This process can be called as what? Condensation. So the number of water molecules convert from liquid state to gaseous state will be equal to what? Gas conversion of gaseous molecules into what? Liquid molecules. At one point, that point is said to be what? Equilibrium. That point is said to be what? Equilibrium. Clear? So this is the conversion of liquid into vapor, or example for the what? Liquid vapor equilibrium. Okay? What is vaporization? Liquid to gas can be called as what? Vaporization. And condensation means what? Conversion of gaseous molecules into what? Liquid molecules. Again, this experiment can be performed in a what? Closed container only. Closed container. Because if you take a open container, what will happen? The liquid molecules which are present in the the liquid molecules which are present in the container will escape from the what? Container. So the container must be closed container. Which type of container? We should take closed container. In closed container, the number of molecules, the number of water molecules which are converting into vapor form, after certain time again the vapor convert into what? Liquid form. That point where the number of water molecules will be equal to what? Number of gaseous molecules, that system is said to be what? Equilibrium. Okay. Third one, solid vapor equilibrium. Solid vapor equilibrium. So solid vapor equilibrium. What is solid vapor equilibrium? The state of a system where conversion of, for example, you can take a example. Take NH4Cl, which is present in solid. If you heat, it will be converted into what? Gas. NH4Cl gaseous form. The number of NH4Cl which is present in solid state convert into what? Gaseous state or vapor state. So this is what we can call sublimation. What is the term? Sublimation. What is sublimation? Conversion of solid into gas without undergoing a what? Liquid state. Conversion of solid directly into what? Gaseous form without undergoing a what? Liquid state. That is what we call sublimation. So conversion of solid into vapor or conversion of solid into gas will be equal to what? Conversion of gaseous form into what? Solid form. That's what we call condensation. So solid NH4Cl, ammonium chloride convert into NH4Cl vapor, gaseous NH4Cl. So again, which is the opposite process. One is sublimation, other one is what? Condensation. Sublimation means what? Conversion of solid into gas, and condensation means what? Conversion of gas into what? Solid. Clear? And you can take another example. For example, take a camphor. So camphor which is present in solid state, on heating it will get converted into what? Gaseous form. Is it or not? Gaseous form. Okay. So this is another example for the solid vapor equilibrium. You can take another example. Iodine crystals. On heating the iodine crystals which are having a purple color or violet color. Iodine crystals are showing which color? Violet color. So iodine which is present in solid state, if you heat, it will get converted into your vapor. At certain point, the number of molecules which are converting from solid to vapor will be equal to number of molecules converting from vapor to what? Solid. That state is said to be what? Solid vapor equilibrium. That state is said to be what? Equilibrium. So this is the types of physical equilibrium: solid liquid equilibrium, liquid vapor equilibrium, and third one is solid vapor equilibrium. Clear?